Hello and welcome to this new section. So in this section we are going to discuss three more functions, or we can say that four more functions, which is get, set, max or min. Okay, so let me first give you what is get function do. Okay, so get function will give you element at a particular index. Okay, so if I pass get some index like at second index, so it will pass in, if it is a array, so it will pass 8. What it will pass 8 as an output. Okay, very simple it is. And let's see set. So set, what it does, so set will take two arguments. First is index and another is element. So what it does, it first put the, or we can say that replace the value at a given index. So if I write set 2, 10, so what it does, so it will at the index location 2, that means it is at index location 2, it will replace it with 10. Okay, it is replace it with 10. Okay, so this is the function of set. Okay, so very easy it is. And let's see the next function, which is max. Max do what? It return the maximum element in an array. Similarly, let me first give you the output, then we'll discuss about min. So in this, it will traverse each element, okay, and find out and do comparison, and then find out which is the maximum element. So in this case 17 it is. Similarly, min function is also working in the same way. It returns the minimum element in an array. So it will display and checks individual element and will return 3. Okay. We'll discuss one more function, which is average. AVG. Average. What it does, it will take the average of all the elements. Okay, it will return the average of all the elements. So the formula for average is sum total of all elements divided by number of elements. Okay, so it will do whole lot of things, like it will do, if we want to calculate the average, so average would be 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 14 plus 17, and the whole thing, whole sum is divided by the number of elements. How many number of elements? 7. Okay, so this is your average. So these are certain basic ADTs operation that are very important, and we'll see in the next section how we can implement these things. Okay, so that you can able to understand the concept very well. Okay, so this is it for this section. We'll see you in the next. Happy data structures.